Today we're going to go ahead and talk about the storage unit that I actually transformed and gave it a facelift with some spray paint. By the way, this is your reminder that DIY does not need to be graceful. This thing is seriously heavy and there's like really nothing in it. Oh, I have to go all the way up there. No, that's not going to work. 4 years ago, I painted this plastic storage tote. Honestly, I expected it to peel. After 4 years, I would definitely, with it being outside, not protected, definitely with Michigan weather, being in the sun and the snow and the rain after 4 years, totally thought it would peel. It didn't. So before I replaced it, I decided to give it another life. The interesting part that it wasn't that it needed paint again. What was interesting is how little of the original paint had failed. Where it surprisingly did not peel up or fade is the top of it. Now, my tips and tricks are very light faded coats. If you go everything in one pass, you are going to end up with drips. Guaranteed you will end up with drips on your project and it's not going to look good. The reason I chose black was because majority of my aesthetic is now switched over. So it used to be more of a coastal lake house, or because we do live by the lake, so now I'm more of a greens and blacks and, you know, natural things, creams, ivories, those type of things. I like to tend to go toward the matte black. Was spray painting outdoor plastic worth it for me? Yes, 100% worth it. And one more thing, something looking worn does not mean that it's wore out. Before you replace it, see if you can bring it back to life. I think anything, if I was to do anything over again, it's why didn't I do this a long time ago again? I'm glad I waited those 4 years. I got to see exactly what would come about for something lasting that long. 4 more years? We'll find out. But you have to stay tuned. It means you have to subscribe. You have to like my channel because it does help me get my new channel out there to people. I appreciate that probably more than you know. I do work a full-time job. I do this on the side. It takes a lot of time and a lot of energy, but it's so worth it. I love doing it. Might as well put something out there that I do on the daily basis anyway. Okay, now my question for all of you is this. Would you have kept it teal or would you have painted it black like I did? Or what color are you going to paint yours? That's a bigger question. Thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. I do have several more out there. Thanks. Bye.